back. So today I decided to film a vlogish kind of video. A lot of you requested actually a vlog, a proper vlog while I'm in Philippines, but because I think I'm just super lazy, and usually I just want to, enjoy everything, just to relax and enjoy, everything that I'm doing, all the activities. So today I decided actually to do one thing. I will be filming everything I'm doing today. So it's like a one-day focus vlog. We are here in Philippines, El Nido, on the Matinloc Island, Matinloc Resort. Now the lighting here is probably horrible, but I hope you will enjoy this anyway. By the way, when I travel, I'm carrying everything in this Makeup Forever bag. All my makeup, my skincare, brushes. If I need to wash my face in the morning, I will use my gel cleanser from Drunk Elephant. And basically on my wet face, I apply a little bit of this. This is actually a small travel size. I like to get their travel sizes because they're really good. And this is like a gel. It's really gentle, so it's perfect for morning. Okay, now make sure my face is super dry because I will be using my Drunk Elephant C Pharma, the vitamin C. This is again the travel version, and this one you should not apply this on a wet kind of face, and I just apply this all over. This is my favorite vitamin C. I always take this with me, and when I travel I always make sure to buy the travel size of the products that I use. I started using this product actually I think almost 2 years ago, maybe a little bit less, but I started using it because of Arene Gotamista, which, by the way, if you follow me on my Instagram, you saw that I met her in Hong Kong. She is so lovely, so beautiful. She's just everything I wanted her to be and I imagined her to be. Now, what I usually like to do with the C Pharma, I like to keep it on my face for like 5 minutes before I, add any other product. Now for the next step, I'm mixing two products. Again, one of my favorite combos in skincare, the B Hydra from Drunk Elephant with Audacity. This is the Black Cumin and Cachepot. I think this is how to call it. Like an oil, it's like a serum oil concentrate, and I find that these two work perfect together. So I apply just 2 pumps of the small B Hydra with 1 drop of the Audacity oil serum, and mix this together and I apply them on my face. This serum is actually more for problematic skin. It absorbs really fast, so it's more of like a dry oil. So it's not heavy for like daytime. I actually like to use it for daytime and for nighttime as well. Now as a moisturizer, I will use my Kitchen Sheep Oil Cream, but at night I use the Cica Pear from Dr. Jart. You can see that I have just a little bit left of this. I absolutely love this cream. It calms down my skin. It's just really hydrating. It's perfection. And the Kitchen cream is really nice as well for daytime. I use this for daytime because it has a bit of silicones in it, and I find that this is perfect as a makeup base as well. And it's not super heavy too. Okay, now for the sunscreen, I'm using my Goodall mild sunscreen. This is a natural filter one, and I apply quite a lot of this. If I don't wear any kind of makeup after 2 hours, I will reapply the sunscreen. I will wash my face, reapply it. But if I'm taking pictures and I need, my makeup to stay on my face longer than 2 hours, I will apply on top of my makeup a little bit of this. This is the Drunk Elephant physical sunscreen, and I find that if I apply this on top of the makeup, since it's it's a physical sunscreen, it gives me a little bit of shine, not super intense, but also it stays on top, and it's not like a chemical one that should go inside the skin. And of course my battery died, so I had to charge it again, but I basically applied all my makeup, and these are all the products I use. Of course I will show them to you in this clip, and also I will list them in the description box, and then I will show you a little room tour of our room.
So every single morning we are coming to this beach. The distance from our hotel is like 1 mile, I would say, and every single morning we are doing this exercise to get to the island. Yeah, after that we go snorkeling. We have the equipment with us.
Okay, so now we are going to the Big Lagoon and the Small Lagoon and maybe some other places, and we will be filming, taking pictures, and you are coming with us. Guys, and we are ending this vlog here, and the best part about today, I really like the tour. I really like the small lagoon. The big lagoon actually was not so spectacular, I guess. I mean, it was nice, but
good.
yeah.
And the Secret Lagoon was my favorite.
I also really liked the food, especially that we had in the morning, and the soup was nice too. It's like a Filipino traditional Filipino dish. It has
lots of vegetables,
Yeah.
like eggplant, like radish, like I don't know, pepper, onions, and all this stuff.
Yeah.
Put it together, boil it along
And
with
shrimps.
some like big king shrimps.
It was really nice.
Yeah, actually I had it twice today, so it was very good.
So that's it. I hope, we hope that you enjoyed watching this little vlog, and we will see you. Bye.
Bye.